cheerleader. Woo! Thank you for being here. And remember, today is a good day to have a great day and never stop dreaming. So, are you dreaming of having a YouTube channel? Are you dreaming of being successful? Well, I am here to help you and give you some amazing tips to help you thrive. Because I don't like to say grow, I like to say thrive. And these are some awesome tips. So I have my notes here. So make sure you have your pen and paper also. And we will get started right after this. Okay, we are back. Now, tips to have a successful YouTube channel. You want to thrive. Get your pens and papers. I'm going to give you some awesome and amazing tips to help you out. Number one, start with a beautiful banner. Have it popping, have it beautiful and bright, okay? You need to have big colors, big, amazing, bountiful colors, big words, and also have a beautiful profile picture. Doesn't have to be fancy smancy, but just have a nice profile picture, eye-catching for you, okay? Number two, have channel sections on your main page. On here, you can have certain series that you have. Maybe you have series of cars or series of maybe you're a mukbanger or something of that nature. You can break it down. You can have up to 10 sections, and this will help you. You can put your playlist on that on your main page. Try it. See how it works for you. These are tips that are going to help you to what? Thrive. And I want you to remember that word, thrive, okay? You can also put short videos. So if you have a few short videos, you can make a section on that also. Okay? Number three. Number three is have a short trailer intro video. You need a trailer for your new followers or your returning followers. Okay? You need to make this short and simple and just have information about your page. What do you do there? What is your page is about? Do you have a theme? Something short and quick, 3 minutes or less. Doesn't have to be long, okay? Remember that. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4, add end cards and end screens to your video. So at the end, you have an option of choosing or letting YouTube choose for you. Do you want to have a video? Do you want to have a subscriber? Do you want or subscriber button? Or do you want to have 2 of your videos on there from a previous video that you just recently made? Or you can have your playlist, anything like that on there. It gives you those options. So consider adding end cards and end screens to your video. Okay. Number 5, you need to add on your about section. Okay. Fill out that entire section. There's so much information. This is where you get to brag on your channel. You tell what it's about. Thank you for being there. You put in information about when you go live, when you upload. You can add social media links. That is awesome. When you add these social media links, this tells your followers, your subscribers, that you have more social media out there. You get up to 10 links to add on there, but 5 of them automatically go to the top of your banner on the right lower side corner. Yeah, that's what it is. So make sure you are adding those links, whatever kind of social media you have. Brag on yourself on the about section. If you have a P.O. box, you can add that there. Any of your cash options you can add there, like PayPal or Venmo or any other thing that you may have on their Cash App. Remember that, okay? Number 6, add thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and tags to your videos, okay? This is important. What is the video about? Put that in there. You can add tags, tagging your video about what you're talking about. You should have a great thumbnail that's going to be attractive, okay? These things are very important, and make sure your title is saying what your video is about. This will help you guys, okay? Number 7, and I know a lot of you probably don't do this, And I'm hoping you will go. And if you try it and it works, come back and let me know. This here, you should refresh your old videos. Consider that. What I mean by refreshing is you're going to go back to an old video, look at your title. If that video doesn't have a lot of likes or a lot of shares or a lot of comments on it or a lot of views, you should consider changing the title of it. Okay? That will help you a lot. You can add it to your main section once you have updated. Say it's 8 months old. It's not getting a lot of hits. Update the title, update the thumbnail, and then refresh it. So once you're refreshing it, brighten it up, give it a new outlook, add it to your main page. Pull it up to the front, to the forefront, because now people are going to see it. If it's 8 months old, it's kind of buried under the bottom. So consider refreshing old videos. Number 8, read and reply to your comments. This is so important. Your followers want to know what you're thinking. So if they have left you a comment on a video saying, "Oh, that was a great video, it really helped me," reply back. "Thank you for stopping over. Please come back. Here's another video of mine you might want to watch." You have to grab your subscribers and keep them coming back. That is what you want. Okay? The next one is be consistent. Try to get on a schedule. You can also put this in your about section. What you will do is try to upload 2 to 3 times a week, or go live 2 times a week, or do premieres. You have to have something for them to remember you by, to want to come back to your channel. So as long as you're giving them something, they'll look forward to seeing you. "Oh, I know Vern's Junk Closet goes live at 2 p.m. on Sundays." Like, they'll know, and they'll have you on their schedule. Once they put that bell on, they will keep coming back to you, and that is what you want. Okay. The next one is lighting and sound. Okay, so for lighting, you don't have to have a lot of light, but you need to have some bright lights. You can use natural light outside. You can use a bright light bulb. You can use a mic. Use a mic from your local dollar store. It doesn't have to be fancy smancy until you can afford an expensive mic. Right now, use what you have. But sound, you want them to hear you, and lighting, you want them to see you. If it's a dark video, that may put some people off, and they may not want to see it. So I'm going to recap tips for you to have a successful, thriving YouTube channel. You want to add a banner and a profile picture. You want to add channel sections. You should also have a trailer video for your returning subscribers and your new subscribers, because you want your returning subscribers to keep coming back, but you want your new subscribers to bring other people also with them. Okay? Add social media links. That is so important. Sharing out your videos when you go live, when you upload. Share them out on your social media. And if you add that to your about section, people will know you have other ways of connecting to you. Thumbnails, titles, description, and tags when you're uploading a video. That's so important, okay? You want it to be eye-catching. You want it to be engaging. That is important, so you must do that, okay? Refreshing your old videos, giving them a new pop of life. Like you're painting an old room and it's dull and gray, you give it a pop of color, make it like a sunburst yellow. Boom, it's a whole new way of looking at it, okay? Read and reply to your comments. Your followers, your subscribers, they want to hear from you. So reach out to them. Take time, take a day and say, "Okay, these 2 hours, I'm just going to reply to comments that are on my videos." You will see a difference, okay? So I want you guys to try some of these tips. Let me know back down in the comments, down there, down below, right down there. Let me know how they worked for you, or if they worked for you, or if they did not. I want to say this. Everything that I'm telling you may not work for your channel. However, some of them may help you to thrive. Okay? So, try to make a schedule of uploading your live videos, your premieres, or your uploading your regular videos. So that is something really you need to do. Try to be consistent. Okay. Also, lighting and sound. Make sure you have good lighting. Make sure you have quality sound. Okay. And I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I am your YT cheerleader. Ooh, Burns Young Closet. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video.